I tried every official method to install APKLeaks, but none of them worked. Even Docker always ran into dependencies here and broke the setup. The result always done with nothing. But here you will learn the right way to run the APKLeaks tool successfully and extract all the data you need from your APK file. APKLeaks is an open source tool that scans Android APK files to find sensitive data like API keys, stickers, and endpoints. The benefits here: quickly detects exposed credentials and saves the result in the text or JSON, supports custom scanning rules. Before we start, let me tell you first, this video is not sponsored by any company or developer. Our contact here is provided for educational and cybersecurity purposes only. Alright, step 1. Installing dependencies. Type in your terminal sudo apt install space dash ygadx apktool pipx, then hit enter from your keyboard. This process depending on your internet speed. Step 2. Install APKLeaks via pipx. Type in your terminal pipx install APKLeaks. Hit enter from your keyboard. Step 3. Update your system path, and it's very important. Type in terminal pipx ensure path. Hit enter from your keyboard. As you can see, pipx is ready to go. Now type source -hrc to active the changes. Hit enter from your keyboard. Now the tool is installed. Type apkleaks space -- help. Hit enter. Then is jadx ready? Type jadx space -- version. Hit enter. Is APK tool is working? Type APK tool space -- version. Everything is now working and it's time to extract the data from the APK file. What I need you to do right now is to take the APK file inside the tool folder. Get inside the tool folder cd space \apkleaks. Hit enter. Then ls space -f. Hit enter. Then apk tool space d, following with the name of the APK app. It uses APK tool to decode the file fdroid apk, unpacking it into folders with code and resources so you can analyze or modify the app. Then ls-f to see if we extracted the APK file. This command that's in front of you tells grep to repeatedly search within the fdroid folder for any text that matches words like API key, secrets, passwords, access key, and token. And this command to tell the tool to search for endpoints and exclude system links. At this point, the tool is working successfully. All commands that used in the installation process will be in the description below. Take care.